viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about programming and obviously my favorite C++. So in this video I'm gonna use Repl.it. It's my favorite website and I already made a video in my channel about Repl.it. So now let's get started. What I'm gonna do programming today, so it's like specific programming. So I'm gonna show you guys how to print hello world 5 times. And then another code will be how to print hello world based on user's input. First, I'm declaring a variables, which is I. And then I'm gonna use for loop. So you might have a question, why we use for loop for programming? So for loop is used if you want to repeat block of code. So if I want to repeat a statement, if I want to repeat something until the conditions is met, the code is gonna repeat itself. Here, that's what we are doing. We are repeating hello world 5 times. So for, and then the bracket I have I, and then equal to 0. So this is the first statement you have to give. This is the statement 1, and then we have to give a condition. So I said 5 times. So here I have 5. In the programming, we start from 0. So we count 0 as 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from the 0, we start up until like 4. So as 0 will be like 1. So it will be like 5. Then we give a semicolon and then I++ to iterate the code. So here we are not going to give a semicolon at the end. Don't make this mistake. Code is not going to run if you have a semicolon at the end of for loop. Because we wanna print hello world after the for loop, which is hello world. If you wanna print something else, congratulations or anything like that, then you can do that. So let's run the code and see if it's print hello world 5 times. See, it's printing hello world 5 times. So now, as I said, we're gonna do another code where we're gonna print hello world based on user's input. So what I mean by that. So for example, if I say that I want to print hello world 5, I'm gonna give in my console 5, it's gonna print 5 times. If I'm gonna print 100 times, I'm gonna put 100, print 100 times. Here I'm gonna do int number. I'm gonna declare this variable number, and then I'm gonna count before allowing the users to give the input. We're gonna do like number of times you wanna do it. Like give users to understand like what we want them to insert. They might not understand. Here we're gonna give cin. So cin is used to put the user's input, and you can see this sign is in the other side. In the count is on this side. So it's gonna be number. So this is why I declared it before. If I wouldn't have declared it, if I put like / to comment it, you guys can see it's a red mark. Look here, it said use of undeclared identifier number because they're saying that I didn't declare this. When I removed it, it's gonna be fine. And then I'm gonna use for loop. So instead of like typing it again, I'm gonna copy and paste from here because I'm gonna use hello world anyway. So, but one thing you have to change is this thing. I'm not gonna set the condition that you print 5 times because I already did that. I want users to give the input, so I got number here. So here number. You guys can name your variable any way you like. You can give anything else. You can also change this part. You guys can make changes to the code. So let's run it. See, hello world is printed 5 times because of this part of the code, and this part printing here number of times. We put number of times. Now we giving the inputs because of cin. We are able to write it here. See, we didn't give any cin here, so we cannot write. So I'm gonna type 10 times. And you guys can see it's displaying 10 times. Hello world is being printed 10 times. So let's try once again. Like if you want to print 9 times, you guys can count here. So it's printing 9 times. So I hope you guys understand what I did right here. So if you guys understand what I did here and like my video, then don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my video. If you guys have anything specific in mind that I should make video, you should comment because comments really help YouTubers to make awesome videos for the viewers.